Hello everyone, welcome to Proud Animator. In this video, we are going to learn how to animate this 3D parallax effect in After Effects. So for that, this is the illustration we are going to use in this lesson, and this is how I have separated the layers in Adobe Illustrator to prepare the file for animation. So now let's jump onto After Effects and start with our animation. So this is the main composition window. If I open it, this is an extended view of the composition where we are going to do all the animation work. So the basic concept behind it is that the object closer to the camera will move faster compared to the objects that are far away from the camera. So in this case, the tree is closest to the camera, then the bridge, then this tree and bushes layer. So basically this one. Then there are two individual layers of mountains. This one is one layer and this one is another layer of mountain. So as the distance increases from camera, the object will appear to be moving slower. So we are going to animate it in that way. Okay, now let's start with this tree animation. So I'm going to move it below and slightly scale it up a bit. And then I'm going to open the position properties, split the dimension, and I'm going to only animate it in x-axis, put a keyframe over here. Then I'm going to jump on to next 8 frames and I'm going to drag it to the other side, and then let's add a loop expression, which is loop in plus loop out minus the value. Alright, so let's check the speed. We can slow it down a bit. So let's slow it down. Yeah, this one is looking better. We can even turn on the motion blur. Okay, let's turn it off. So we are going to do the same for this bridge layer as well, but as you can see, there is only a single layer. If I move it, there is nothing this side. So basically we are going to copy this layer once again, and I'm going to move it this side and try to adjust the position here. Alright, so now I'm going to turn on the ruler and put a ruler over here at this junction. So we are going to match this position. So I'm going to select this layer bridge and I'm going and open the position and split the layers, put a keyframe on the x-axis. But before that, parent this bridge 2 with this bridge, and after that I'm going to move it. As you know, this bridge is far away from the camera compared to this tree, so we are going to move it slightly slower. So let's drag it in x-axis and try to match the position with the ruler. Let's put it exactly at this point, this junction, so that the whole thing is in loop. Okay, so let's slow it down even more, and I'm going to copy this loop expression and paste it over here. So for now, let's solo these two layers and check out our animation. Yeah, right now even you can see the tree is moving faster and there is a fill of a dimension. So right now we are going to animate the bushes and mountains. So let's solo the bushes layer for now, and I'm going to copy and paste it and duplicate the layer and place it at this point. Okay, so I'm going to put a ruler over here at the tip of this tree spike. So we are going to match the position with this ruler over here to make it a loop expression. So right now I'm going to select this layer, put a keyframe on the position, but before that split the layer and put a keyframe on x-axis, and after that I'm going to go further away from this point and move this tree layer. Okay, now we are going to copy this loop expression and paste it over here. So we can even go further a bit. Now let's check out from this window if the whole thing is in loop. Well, yeah, there is an issue over here. So let's check out. Okay, so I'm going to move this layer and place this tree over here. So right now the whole thing should be in a loop. Yep, everything is proper right now. So after that I'm going to add animation to the mountains as well. So for that I'm going to match the position of this particular mountain spike. So for that I'm going to put a ruler over here. So open the position property and split the dimensions, then put a keyframe on x-axis, and I'm going to go even further for this mountain, and then I'm going to move this mountain layer and place it over here. Let's copy the loop expression and paste it over here. Let's check it out from this window. Yeah, everything is in a perfect loop. So we can even slow down the mountain a bit, because the mountain should be further away from this bush layer. So yeah, this one is looking better. Now we are going to repeat the process again and do the same for this mountain as well. So for this mountain I'm going to add a ruler and put a ruler at this spike. So we are going to adjust the position of this particular mountain. So split the dimension, put a keyframe on x-axis and go even further, and I'm going to move it and adjust the position of the mountain and place it over here. So right now let's copy this loop expression and paste it over here. Let's check out from this window. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice now. So right now if I just unsolo all the layers and let's check out the whole animation from this window. So that is it for this lesson. If you liked it, then make sure to hit the like button. If you have any doubt regarding the lesson, make sure to comment down below. I will be happy to help you out. And if you are here for the first time, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification button to stay notified for all the future updates. Until then, goodbye.